Today, we're looking at one of the coolest classic sedans ever made, the legendary Ford Cortina Mk3.
This car changed the streets back in the 70s, and honestly, it still turns heads today.
So let's explore this beautiful machine from A to Z.
The front design is simple, bold, and unmistakably classic Ford. The long body lines and elegant proportions give it that timeless British character.
These vintage wheels and soft suspension setup made the ride incredibly smooth for its era.
The rear design is clean and elegant, with surprisingly practical trunk space too.
And this badge right here carries decades of automotive history.
Step inside, and you immediately feel transported back to the golden age of motoring.
The dashboard design is beautifully simple, mechanical, and full of character.
And listen to that engine start, pure classic car emotion.
No giant screens here, just real driving controls and authentic vintage simplicity.
The seats are surprisingly comfortable, and even by modern standards.
Now let's talk about what powers this classic legend.
The Cortina Mk3 came with reliable inline-4 engine options known for durability and simplicity.
The lightweight body and rear-wheel drive setup gave this car a fun driving feel.
Classic styling, reliable engineering, and timeless personality. Whew, that's what made the Cortina unforgettable.
This car isn't just transportation, it's rolling automotive art.
Even today, this classic still has undeniable road presence.
The Ford Cortina Mk3 proves that true classics never lose their charm. All right, let's take this beauty out for one last drive. This is what classic driving feels like.
Subscribe for more legendary classic cars, and I'll see you in the next ride.